Isn't that so yummy? I mean, I know I am, but right now I'm talking about this sweet chili sauce, homemade sweet chili sauce at that goes on top of chicken, shrimp, steak, smothered chicken, fried chicken. It's so amazing, so delicious, and I can't wait to show you how to make it. Depending on how big you want your portion, you're gonna put equal ratio of sugar to water. So me, I just wanted a small mason jar container full, so I just put 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. Let it boil, shake it to dissolve it. Now you're gonna add some red pepper chili flakes. Listen, I'ma just say you could put this up to taste, because some of us, if I could look at myself, I would. We can't handle heat like that. Well, if I'm being honest, as of lately, I've really been doing good with my heat. Like this, considered to what I would normally put 1 year ago, is extravagant. But now we're gonna put paprika for color. Paprika is mostly for color. It don't really have taste, but it really does make it a nice, beautiful pigmented red. And we're gonna shake that. If you're gonna put some soy sauce like I did, which I 100% recommend, please make sure to have a bottle soy sauce, or at least multiple packets of these Chinese packet soy sauces, because I only have one, but it still tasted so good. That's the crazy part. But I know with 2 more packets or 3 more packets, it would have chef's kiss. I can't emphasize this enough. No, seriously, I tried, but I can't. Please use fresh garlic. Fresh chopped up garlic. It just tastes 100% better rather than garlic that's in your fridge, the already minced garlic. Make it fresh. Trust me, it will be 100% worth it. Now it's time for the cornstarch part. This is just to make it a little more thicker, to bring a little more sauciness to your sauce, so it's not like just a complete liquid. This helps thicken it up. So what I do recommend making is a cornstarch slurry. That's when in another container or another little bowl, you'll add a little bit of water to the cornstarch, mix it in a separate bowl, so when you pour it into the pot, it's nice and liquidy. Otherwise, you'll have cornstarch chunks like I do, which I don't recommend, but it still turned out amazing. Now you're just going to store it into a freezer safe or a fridge safe container to where you can store it. This batch actually lasted me around 4 days. I would say 3, like 3 days, because I had chicken for like the past few days, so I would say 3 days. It was so good. I put it on top of my fried chicken, baked chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe for more. I love you.